Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark's Travel Videos, and I'm here at Durham Castle, and I'm going to go inside and film everything I can film. So let's go take a look, shall we? Let's do it. Bye-bye. And I did take a picture off these puddles, everybody, so... And this is Durham Castle, and it's amazing. The great gate. Wow. Wow, wow. Wow. What an amazing castle. And there's a puddle and it's calling my name. I guess I want to try to turn my lens upside down with this phone, with this thing, and I'll see if it works. Oy. I don't know if that worked, but I thought I'd try. And it looks like they're here for an event or something, so. And it's about 11 o'clock. And I have to keep track of time because I have to get back to the boat, and it's going to be planes, trains, and automobiles. You know how that goes. Okay. Well, let me see if I can get inside, and I'll come back. Okay. I'll be back. Bye-bye, everybody. Let's stop with this picture right here. Bye. Yeah, that's all right. Okay, so I went inside, and it's they're doing a wedding, so it's private. But I wanted to look around this corner and show you. Wow. Look at the fireplace, too. Very cool. Okay. All right, everybody, that's it. That is Durham Castle, and it is closed today, but it is amazing, isn't it? Very amazing. And you can see the cathedral right there. So the king and the queen wouldn't have to walk far to their church unless they were Protestant and that's a Church of England, or they're Church of England and that's Protestant, or I don't have any idea. But certainly amazing all the same.